It's mother versus daughter battle of the Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you want to see what each of us got and what today's giveaway is, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's hanging around with us. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Chloe and I each get a little glam bag and we do a little glam bag battle. You ready to grab your first product? Your product card should be in there. This is by Tracey. Well, I'll read it then.
It's not a full size, and the real price is $18.
Okay, so my first product reaching in is this makeup brush, so that will be a full-size item.
Oh, cool.
It is by Shayna B.
We have one for a giveaway then. Alright.
Hold on. You just went through two products and I've gone through one. I don't have any information on my card. So let's see what it says on your card. The brush is an $18 value. So very pretty.
Mm-hmm. Well, we had the same item, so that counted as one for you, one for me, so I want to go again. And then you get to go.
No. All right, by Paradox, I have the Repair Game Changer hair mask. So this is a couple of uses. I don't know what the full size is or any information. It is a vegan product and cruelty-free.
I got this eye mask
by Aceology. So I think you have a set of, you have two. Yes, so each of these is one treatment. And a 4 count is $29, and you got a 2 count. So it's pretty good. It's almost full size.
$29 for
4 of them, yeah.
Ugh.
By Ace Beauty, I have a Slick Luster lip gloss in the color, I don't know, doesn't say. Oh, that's pretty pink.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
Should we swatch it?
Because I want to save some lippies for my friends.
Okay.
For their like birthdays and stuff, and I have lip glosses like that, so.
All right, go ahead, your turn.
I got some Diona's goat milk hand cream. Ooh, I actually have this peppermint twist.
Can we show it to them?
Oh, okay. Can I use it now?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
I have by Cab Cosmetics. This is a translucent setting powder. What else you got?
I got Tarte Concealer Shape Tape Mini.
Me too. Let's see, yours is in the color peach.
We both have the same color.
Yep, they are both in the color peach. All right, so those are our glam bags. Today's giveaway, we have this little Ipsy pouch, and we have a Context Matte Lippy.
Did you smell my hands?
Yes, smells like, I can smell it from here. In the color Tears Are Falling. It's a nude color.
What is it?
It's a matte lipstick.
Oh.
By LA Colors, we have this lip, like a lip balm in You Are Very Sweet.
Is this for a giveaway?
Yes. By Lorella, we have an iconic gloss in the color Allure. So that's going to be like this kind of peachy nude. By Lorella, we have a lip liner in the color Cold Brew, which is going to be a chocolatey color. We also have another lip liner in the color Honey. And I thought these would go nicely with both of the lip products in here. We have a liquid lip in the color Velvet.
So it's a lippy box?
Yep. And this, oh no, that's not lippy. We're going to take that out. We're going to put that in another one. All right. So you are getting a lip kit here where we have, oops, there we go. A liquid lip or 2 liquid lips, a matte lipstick, and some
Liners.
2 liners, and a lip balm, because I always put lip balm underneath my lip products. So if you are interested in this giveaway, I want you to use the word berry, as in that macaroon, you are very sweet. And that's just to know that you are interested in it. You know, this may not be the right shades for you, but if they are, if you think you can play with them and do something with them, then you can enter for this giveaway. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.